Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. On this channel, I bring all the latest tech review products out there in the market, stuff that I see on Instagram or YouTube or TikTok. I want to try those and give you a first-hand opinion of what those things are and how it works and how it integrates to your home. Also, I do a lot of travel vlogs, and I'm really edging. The summer's coming up, so I'm definitely gonna try to travel more places than last year and bring you some like frontline view of that travel experience and meet some great people along the way and indulge in some awesome food. But today's video I'm bringing here is more of a new concept to the channel. It's more of design. So right now I have a empty room. I'm gonna give you a tour of this room. It's a standard bedroom that I have here, and I'm looking to modernize it, make it a cozy office space, but also a place where someone can lounge. If I have a visitor, they could come and stay in this room. So I'm gonna make sure I get some really cool products in this room, but also make it more lively and minimalist. So I've looked at a lot of videos online, I got some concept, but today I'm gonna be installing a new desk that starts from the door here and goes all the way to the wall. And that is going to be a motorized desk. And what I like about motorized desks is I work from home sometimes, and the key here is if I'm sitting for hours, I wanna stand up and still keep doing my work, so stretch my legs, which helps with circulation. And I want to be able to do that directly when I'm working. So this motorized adjustable height desk, you see it all the time. This here is gonna help me in terms of working long hours but be able to stand and do all my work. So definitely excited to try this desk. It has some cool features like LED lights and monitor stands and all that stuff. But more importantly, it's gonna help me organize the space. Right now, the space is pretty chaotic. I'm not joking. Right now, I'll take you closer so you can see it. You can see right over there, I have all random stuff, like my lamp, my home pod, my all extra cables. My backpack is here. Over here, I have my laptop, my Mac Mini, and then I have random accessories all over this room, which is not cool. And I'm going to be reviewing this company here, which I bought this online with my own money. This is a motorized desk, which is pretty cool. I love that concept. And that's gonna go from this edge of this door all the way to the edge of that wall. And a beautiful thing, reason why I really like this actually is because there is a window so I could look out and see my car while I'm working. Also, it's nice to have windows where you can see the sky and temperature and all that stuff. And also, this is where I keep my glasses, which is, you can see what I'm going here. It's very disorganized. So I'm looking forward to making this room more modern. It's white walls. I'm gonna have this room spruced up. Back there, I plan on putting like a lounge, like a bed, like a simple, I'm thinking like a twin size bed where someone can come, they can sleep. We can have some nice effects of lighting on the bed. We can have some pretty cool finishing in this room. I love this flooring. This is the click lock vinyl flooring, which is waterproof and scratch resistant, which is awesome. So this is going to be my little office room going forward, but also have space for someone to sleep. So really excited. Let me go ahead and set this piece of furniture up. This thing was really heavy to bring up the stairs, but yeah, follow along. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, leave a comment below, and let's see what the final product look like. So we know what it looks like before, random chaos, and we'll see what the final product looks like. after 2 hours, the desk is set up. I must say, because this desk is a motorized desk, it did have a lot more parts than a standard desk. And I did have to fiddle around a little bit with how to align the rods. So when the rods rotate, the motor is going up even with both legs. That being said, there you have it. Really love the design. You can see here, I started put some stuff on the desk, but I'm gonna have a monitor, probably 2 monitors, I'm not sure yet. And then you have here, I have my Mac Mini, my 2 laptops, my phone, my watch charger. This is the beauty of the desk here. Over here you have, these are programmable to different height. So you can actually select a height as number 1 as your favorite, or number 2. This arrow takes the... Right, so right now it's sort of empty. I'm gonna add 2 monitors on the top there. I have my Mac Mini, I'm gonna power that to the 2 monitors. I love my HomePod. My Apple HomePod is ideal audio. That's my go-to. I might move that up where the camera is to make sure it's designed clean. And I love this part of the desk here. This is actually somewhere where you can hang your headphones and you can change the orientation however you like. So you can hang your headphones there. This is a carbon fiber finish, which is cool. And one thing that's unique about this desk here, it has a built-in power supply. So over here you can see there is a 5-volt USB-A port, another 5-volt USB-A port, and then a 5-volt USB-C port, 2 AC outlets. And this desk has a really awesome cable design management or cable management system. Over here you have the control module, which blends right into the carbon fiber. For the LEDs, you can change the brightness, you can change the color, whatever you like. You can actually control all that right here. And intensity, which is cool. And over here you have the control module. This is how high or low you want the desk to be. So if I want to go up, the desk will be rising, so you can see how high am I. I'm 87.6 inches off the ground. And if I want to sit lower, I can sit lower. And these two, 1 and 2, this is to customize the height. One thing I love about this desk is that the way it's situated, I can look outside and I can see my driveway, but I could also be doing my work right here. So I love it. I also have to add baseboard there. That's my next project. But I am pretty satisfied with the desk. It's all ready, set up, and can't wait to add some accessories on the top and give it a nice minimalist look. I'm also going to be shopping around for a chair. So if you see any really cool artistic chair, let me know. Because I want to make sure that goes nice with the desk. All right, let me know your thoughts, and we'll see you on the next video.